Hi, I am Sibli Noman, and today I'm going to share how I created this robot. Well, before sharing all this, I would like to share some of the robotic concept that you should know if you're a beginner. If you want to start up with robotics, you have to start with the basic, but if you know programming, I would like to tell you you can literally go with the pro. In a robot, you can make several different types. It could look like anything, a car, a Tesla car. It can be called as a robot because it has its own AI. My robot, it's basically a mechanical one which you can control through these gloves, which you can wear in the left hand, and you can literally grab things and it will grab the same thing. You can make it even advanced. How? Well, you'll need Arduino and Raspberry Pi, and you will have to know Python and C. This code language can help you to control sensor manually, also how to interact, how the motors will work, the AI, and all this. In my robot, I haven't included any kind of programmings or sensors or any mini onboard computers. This is just mechanical thing, and this is for basic people, basically the for those people who want to start up with robotics but have no idea how it works. And I think this is a good example. Why I'm saying this, because there is just a power supplying adapter which supplies 6 volts from 290 to 250 volts. It's actually a converter. It converts from AC to DC, and I'm getting the power through these gloves, and there's some switches, and that is going directly to the robot. Now I have included 4 motors in this hand and others at empty that I'm currently building up right now. If you wanna control the whole hand, the basic thing is like you switch on the switch on, and the fan spins in your ceiling, like your home. You switch and the light works. This is the same concept. Like I switch, one motor spins, I switch, that motor spins in anti-clockwise. So you can literally make this movement to this. This is very basic. Well, the same thing for every 4 motors. So you can literally move the hand like this, do this. So this is actually the robot I'm currently working on. You can use this kind of robot to science fair projects, or to teach people how it works, or maybe sometimes fun projects. Well, the concept is pretty simple. Now I'm going to show you how this thing works. And if you want to control this, you have to wear this on your left hand. Here, the switch I just told you, there are the switches in here, and every switch in different way. You can move these hands if you click two together. So let me show you how it works. So you have to wear it on left hand. There you go. And let me check this. So look, I'm gonna open my hand like this and it will open it. So let's see. This is working. Now I'm gonna move the whole hand, and look. So that's how it works. Now I can like press this to go back to the position it has before, and then again I can do this, and that's how it works. So if you might think like if how strong it is. If I make it with the metals, it can be capable of picking up 12 kgs in one hand. So for now, as it is made out of cardboards, but still it's pretty strong. I think this is gonna be pretty heavy for cardboards, but it can still hold it. And I'm gonna see, and there it is. And again, I picked it up. I move it. I released it. So yeah, that's how it works. Here are all the controllers. You can literally control the whole thing from here. So thank you so much. That's all. And if you want to know more about this project, make sure you check my channel, SibliStation. And thank you so much. Goodbye.